you can own the adventure of the Swan Princess on DVD. In a magical land, Odette and Derek were about to live happily ever after.
Arrange the marriage.
Until Rothbart's evil spell threatened it all.
As soon as moonlight leaves the lake, you turn back into a swan.
Where is Odette?
Now, to get Odette back, Derek and his friends will have to face a sorcerer of unspeakable power.
There's danger around us.
They'd hurt us if they found us.
Our backs are to the wall.
No fear!
No way, Jose. No chance.
No choice.
No fear.
With Jack Palance as Lord Rothbart.
That is mine.
John Cleese as the voice of Jean Bob.
I'm open! I'm open!
And Stephen Wright as Speed.
Get moving, slowpoke.
The Swan Princess on DVD. And the adventure continues. The Swan Princess faces a new danger. But with the help of Prince Derek and a few old friends, they'll defeat an evil sorceress.
You'll never get away with this.
Whoa! You gotta get out of here, Odette!
I've fought the Forbidden Arts before, but I am not going to lose Odette.
The Swan Princess and the Mystery of the Enchanted Treasure. And also available for the first time on DVD, The Swan Princess, Where It All Began.
Get up on a wobble, buzz into a bubble, wobble on the double, and take your face to a wubbulous place. Scuttle on a shuttle, waddle in a puddle, through the middle of the muddle, and dance your feet down a wubbulous street. Flip, float, flop and drop, bottoms up, down to the top. Insides, outsides, here and gone. When you get to the end, you go on and on. Scuttle and shuttle, waddle in a puddle, through the middle of the muddle, and dance your feet down a wubbulous street.